In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Apache NetBeans 18 with JDK 20. I will download Windows 64 bits for Windows 11. You can install anyway. Next, I accept the terms with JDK 20. It's the latest version, so I will uncheck it. It will take about 1 or 2 minutes to complete the process. Do you want to import? I will say no. So once you start NetBeans 18, you can turn up start page. Let's create a new Java project, Java with ends. I will select Java application. First time it's going to activate Java SE. So wait for a while. Okay, we'll keep it as it is. On the source package, Java application 75, there is a one source file, and we can use system out println. Let me just display hello world. Next step, you can compile Java source code, and you can run it. So as you can see, the hello world on output window. Let's have a look. NetBeans 18 with JDK 20 on Windows 11. Okay, you can check properties. I'm using JDK 20. That's all. Thank you.